beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make green chicken curry. For this we will need 500 grams of spinach, and for blanching the spinach we need salt and warm water, and we will blanch the spinach for 2 to 3 minutes. To maintain the green color of the spinach, we will not boil this, we will just blanch it for few minutes. After straining the leaves, you can see the green color is still fresh, and now we will blend the leaves with a green chili and then make a thick paste. You can add more green chilies to make it more spicy, but I like to add only 2 just to enhance the flavor. Lastly, we will add some water to churn the leaves and make a good paste. So the spinach paste is ready to cook with the chicken and the consistency is perfect. Now we will need 800 grams of chicken, and for marination we need salt as per your taste, and then we will add half teaspoon of red chili powder, then half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now we will mix the spices with the chicken for marination and then leave it for 30 minutes. Here I will add 2 cinnamons and 2 cardamoms in a hot oil. Now I will add a tablespoon of chopped garlic and then saute this for 2 minutes. Now I will add 1 cup of chopped onion in the oil and then saute this until it turns golden brown. See, our onion is ready. Now we will add a teaspoon of turmeric and then again saute this for a few minutes. Our masala is ready. Now we will add the chicken. After mixing the masala with the chicken, now we will add some water and then cover the lid to cook. This is the time to add the spinach paste in the chicken and then cook this in a medium heat. Mix the spinach paste and the chicken properly so that the flavors combine well together. The green chicken curry is ready to serve. Now you can have this with roti, paratha, or you can also have this with rice. Trust me, this smells so delicious. Please make this at your home and share with your loved ones. As we know, chicken is a source of high protein and spinach is very good for our body and immune system. So this is a very healthy dish. For more such amazing videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time with another super duper video. Till then, take care and stay happy.